Okay, so moving on to question 9. Question 9 says an object is moving to the right in a straight line. The net force acting on the object is also directed to the right, but the magnitude of the force is decreasing with time. The object will. So we have an object that's moving in the same direction as the net force, but the magnitude is decreasing. So what's happening? The object will be decreasing with time, is increasing with time, stop, and then begin to move to the left. Well, we could already know that it's not gonna be. That's not gonna be it. Continue to move it right with a constant speed. No, neither. Continue to move the right with speed decreasing with time. So continue to move to the right with speed increasing in time. Continue to move to the right with speed decreasing with time. So it's between A and B. Let's see. Object is moving to the right, straight line, and that force acting the object is directed to the right, but also the magnitude of the force. The magnitude of the force is decreasing with time. Magnitude doesn't play any effect, so I don't think the speed I don't think it's gonna be decreasing. So I will say that it will be B. That it will be increasing because magnitude doesn't have to play an effect on any of the forces. So I would say B.